either you approach from the Carpe Diem restaurant underneath many substructures, but over in that section right over there are beautiful mosaics and some with crosses. Thyma restaurant from this angle. Along the waterfront, they have some capitals showing there. At least two of them have crosses. Other ones are just basic, probably civic capitals. But you can see the major cross right there. And then a different approach of that. A lot of the mosaics that I've seen are on the right side over here, behind the sitting area. Of course, the main area where people are walking and where people are sitting, it's very hard to see below. Also, the condensation at times gathers. But on the far right there, you'll see different aspects of mosaics, different portions, and another cross actually. So this begs the question, why are there 3 crosses in this section? And that cross down below is very similar to this cross. So were these crosses found in this location? If they were, then they are separate from the distance from where the other Byzantine is. The Western Byzantine building was a few blocks away from there. So was this another Byzantine church that was found in this area? So I don't know the history of these capitals, but it makes me wonder, because mainly when things are found in a certain area, they stay in those areas. So I hope you enjoy your time there, and this is a good time maybe to go and get a beverage refreshment there. So maybe we'll see you there, and if you discover some other things, please send them my way.